ये ये ह्यूमन लाइफ हमें क्यों मिली? आई मीन clearly there is more to it than I know, and I just want to ask you some really non-specific questions also about the fact that uh, is this the last end of evolution, or is it just the mid path, or what is it? After this, do we evolve into superior beings, or is, I mean, where do we go from here?
Okay, okay, Ekta. Now, what do you want to do? What will you do with all the answers you take? Suppose you get answer to all this. क्या करो? वह फिर क्या है?
मैंने मैं
ये
मुझे अगर एक आंसर भी मिल जाए, मुझे ना एक्चुअली क्वेश्चंस इतने सारे आते हैं और आंसर्स मिलते नहीं है.
हाँ. No, why should you have answer to all the questions? Why can't we live with some questions? You know, wonder is a question which you are not seeking for an answer, right? You wonder why this world is like this, you know, why so many people, why people are negative, right? Why there are so many species on this planet, why human life, you know, these are something to be wondered about. Do you see what I am saying? A question is like this, when it gets straight it becomes wonder. So, so certain questions, you know, we live with them, then it becomes wonder. Certain other questions are good to keep because they are the most motivating factor in our life to move forward. Do you get it?
I get it. I think that I don't think I've had a more profound answer than this. You
Yeah,
know, maybe if I knew the answers, I would not move forward.
correct. And then, you know, your head asks different question and your heart asks different questions. If you notice, your head always wants something new, but your heart always longs for something old, right?
Oh, sir, you will hear this dialogue in some serial of mine, and somebody will tell you about it. It is the best line I have heard in a long, long time. It is so true.
So, but you are a combination of both head and heart. So, you want something new and you value something old also, right? दोनों लेके चलना पड़ेगा.
The mind wants excitement, the heart wants stability
Correct.
and comfort. The hard questions are also very important, and I think it's a very in-depth interview. And I don't know when I will see you again and talk to you again. And my I faced a lot of disappointment in life as far as love goes. Maybe because of expectation and because of this journey in life, I've had lot of ups and downs because I was told that it's a blessing to be successful, but I feel every blessing is a curse and every curse is a blessing. So because you're successful, you get used and you get abused, and people fake things with you, and the meaning of love for me has become more of give and take. And I felt like I had a purer heart earlier. Now I'm so damaged with the people I've met in my life. And is there a lesson for me here? I don't know about that.
Now, Ekta, here I want to tell you your heart can never get damaged. Don't worry about it. It's really, the heart is like diamond. You know, even if the diamond is put in a muddy water, it doesn't stick to the mud, right? You simply have to relax, and all the tough time has made you somewhere very deep and strong, and that has given you even more skills. So हम
Maybe you're right there.
हम दुनिया में किसी को दोष नहीं लेंगे, हर एक आदमी अपना अपना पात्र करता है, तो उस पात्र से हमारे जीवन को ठोक पीट करके सबने चारों ओर से मजबूत बना देते हैं. तो ऐसे ही आप चमकी हो कि कई तरह की लोगों का इसमें योगदान अभी अभी देखने से
मुझे किसी कि यही कहा था कि जब तक आपको इफ यू डोंट हैव अ ब्रोकन हार्ट यू कांट मेक आउट एंड
हाँ
देयरफॉर I probably learned that from there. But everyone is playing a part. Then where is karma coming into play? Like, so if I'm playing my part and someone else is playing their part, and we both are meant to do this karma, where are we creating that karma? Karma is what is beyond coincidence. Is what we do. So,
करेक्ट
and I think
हम
it's
इस
bigger than any gun.
सही बात है इसमें क्या व्हाट पास्ट का जो भी हुआ ये कर्म हुआ कर्म से हुआ है अभी आगे क्या करना है हमारा मन को जितना हम क्लीन रखते हैं क्लियर रखते हैं इस बात को समझ लेते हैं the moment we understand this is all due to karma already you are out of it already you are free
You know, Gurudev, I also believe that we have chosen this life. Is it true that we have chosen this life?
yeah
Have we chosen our lives? Have we got a choice before we come onto this earth?
yeah definitely you have come here with a combination of choice and which you have to endure दोनों कुछ तो चॉइस भी है और कुछ हमारा प्रारब्ध है जिसको कहते हैं प्रारब्ध जिसको हमें भोगना ही पड़ेगा
So आपको मैं बता दूं I am a single mother. I have had a child on my own,
या
and my son is about 15 months old, and I'm bringing him up with hopefully the art of giving, and that is the art of living, I think, you know. And I'm going to be probably bringing him to the ashram when this lockdown opens up to just see you.
या श्योर
So I
वेलकम
wanted to ask you on this that I always ask this question from myself, and I don't know if it is I should ask this publicly, but I ask him that have I stolen from him the chance of having a father, or this is, I mean, I I had a single child because I felt I could give my child both parents' love, but
या
I sometimes feel guilty. Is this guilt real or wrong?
ना you don't need to you know one of the greatest sage Satyakam also didn't have a father didn't know his father so only his mother Jabali was a single mother single woman brought him up and he became the greatest. And when he went to his teacher, he asked, who is your father? He said, I don't know my father, but I have my mother who she is very beautiful, very nice mother. You know that whole story. So हमारी परंपरा में है single mother has brought up children and they have become really great. So you don't need to worry about it.
You know, you have just saved me from this very intense question that used to come up in my head all the time. You know, my brothers had a single child, and I have had, and someone told us that is our family's, kismat. He was supposed to have a surrogate child, and I'm supposed to have a surrogate child, and we don't know what it is. And I make soaps about married life and joint family, and we live like this, but we have so much love for ourselves and each other, and we've learned compassion through our children. But
That is more important. What is important is you fulfill the need of a child, give them full love, full guidance, full compassion. You know, if you are playing both the roles of mother and father, that is it. You know, here in the Puranas there is a saying where Lord Shiva played the role of a mother. There was a saint in there was a saint in Tamil Nadu, you know, for him, Jnana Sambandar, his name was Jnana Sambandar. And Lord Shiva played the role of a mother, both father, that's why it's called Tayu Manavar, means who became a mother also, who played the role of a mother also. So you don't need to get into guilt trip, just give them all attention, make them good citizens, give them good sanskaras, हमारे बच्चों को क्या है, हमें संस्कार देना है, बड़ों को इज्जत करने का, रेस्पेक्ट करने का, और to be kind and compassionate, to be alert, and not to get into drugs and many other habits which would eat their own life. So these are the things that we need to do for them.